Hello friends, it's me, Smartie the Alpaca. Have you ever wondered, what's the difference between a rabbit and a hare? They look so similar, but they're not the same animal. Let's hop right in and find out. First, let's talk about size. Hares are usually bigger than rabbits. They have longer ears and much stronger back legs, built for speed. Rabbits are smaller and rounder, with shorter ears. Second, where do they live? Rabbits dig burrows underground, called warrens. They like cozy homes where they can hide from danger. But hares don't dig. They live above ground in simple nests called forms, usually hidden in tall grass or open fields. Third, their babies are different. Baby rabbits, called kits, are born blind, hairless, and need a lot of care. Baby hares, called leverets, are born with fur and open eyes, ready to hop around almost right away. Fourth, their behavior. Rabbits are shy and prefer to hide when danger comes. Hares are runners. They can sprint super fast to escape predators, sometimes zigzagging like race cars. Fun fact time. Some hares, like the snowshoe hare, change their fur color to white in the winter to blend in with the snow. Rabbits, on the other hand, can have many litters of babies each year, which is why there are so many of them around the world. Did you know the Easter bunny wasn't always a bunny? Originally, it was the Easter Hare, a tradition from Germany hundreds of years ago. People saw hares and rabbits as signs of spring, new life, and growth, because they have so many babies. German immigrants brought the idea to the United States, where it became the Easter bunny we know today. Now, the Easter bunny brings colorful eggs and treats, and is one of the most popular holiday characters, right alongside Santa Claus. So remember, rabbits equals smaller, burrows, helpless babies, good at hiding. Hares equals bigger, above ground, ready to run babies, built for speed. They may look alike, but rabbits and hares live very different lives. Now you know the difference. If you saw one in the wild, do you think you could tell whether it was a rabbit or a hare? And don't forget to like this video and subscribe, so we can keep learning about animals together. I'm Smartie the Alpaca. Stay curious, and I'll see you next time.